Hello everyone, and welcome back to Your Values. Hope all is well. Today is a video about memories and emotions. Now, I have noticed something is that in today's world, especially in big cities, people tend to forget things. Now, there are two reasons for that. First of all, you have to know that when you make memories, you need emotions. If you have no emotions on a event, you are going to forget this. If it's negative or positive emotions, negative being a shock or something, or positive, happiness, something. And also is that today we're going so fast that we're or very depressive or very anxious, not in the present moment. If you're not conscious in the present moment, you're not going to be focused and you're going to forget, not remember what you're doing. Now, this is why it's so important to meditate, to connect to yourself, to be in the present moment, to remember. Remember names, remember conversation, what people do, what you have to do. And also to connect to yourself and accept your emotions. Now, we say that emotions are for cowards and not for men or real men. It's not true. Emotions are for strong people, in fact, because strong people are capable of carrying their emotions and showing them and be courageous. And so this is something that's very mistaken in today's world. And so please meditate, be in the present moment, and accept your emotions, to make memories and remember who your loved ones are, who you are, and whatever you do in life. Have a beautiful day. If you have any questions, by the way, or inquiries or comments to make about that or ideas, I'd be very happy to hear all of that. In the meantime, I wish you a beautiful day and see you soon on Your Values.